Hey, hi, this is Jamin. So today I'm going to walk you through my three steps to mix your vocal to sound radio ready. It's only three steps. So this is a vocal here, and this is a raw vocal. I want us to listen to it, and then from there I'm going to take you through my three steps.
Nowhere to go, grieving ghosts of yourself, dealing cards that you never wanted dealt. No.
So that's a raw vocal. It's already sounding great, but we want it to be more, you know, much more better. So the first step that I normally apply when it comes to mixing vocal is the cleanup. So the first step is to clean up the vocal, and the simple way that I clean up the vocal is number one is by using the high pass filter to clean up the low ends. So in Cubase, when you open the edit channel settings, it brings you to this window, and then we're going to use the high pass filter. So here I'm cleaning all the lows in the vocals. So let's listen to it.
Nowhere to go, grieving ghosts of yourself.
So be careful you don't do too much of that. If not, you make your vocal sound very thin. So maybe around 120 thereabout will be enough.
Dealing cards that you never wanted dealt. No.
So the second step is applying the processors. So when I mean processors, it consists of EQ, compression, limiter, and all that. So here, I'm gonna use the EQ to cut and boost this vocal to make it more, you know, more better.
No spark.
So the first thing I'm going to do is to cut the unwanted frequency in this vocal.
Spark to restart. No way to know. You're looking right.
So around the 400 hertz area, let's cut a little bit, maybe around between negative 3 to 6 dB area. So negative 4 dB is okay.
Right. I know that you like what you see. Grieving ghosts of yourself.
And then boost a little bit of the 2K area.
Dealing cards that you never wanted.
And then add a little bit of brightness.
Wanted doubt. No. Grieving ghosts of yourself. Dealing cards that you never wanted doubt.
So with this three EQ steps, our vocal is sounding better. So filter the lows, cut the unwanted frequencies, and then boost the areas that sounds good. The next thing I'll do is to add a pitch correction. So with this pitch correction, the idea is to, you know, make it an effect like an auto tune.
Doubt. No spark to restart. No way to know. You're looking right.
So that will be your taste, your choice. What do you want to do with the pitch correction? You know, it helps to make the vocal sound in their corrective notes, but also you can use it as an effect, as auto tune. The next thing that I'll do is to add tube saturator to have that kind of analog feel, analog sound in the vocal.
I know that you like love. Nowhere to go. Grieving ghosts.
So just a little bit, 50% of the drivers. Sounds good to me.
Ghosts of yourself.
So the next thing I'll do is to add a compressor to compress around from 0 to -6, around that range.
Dealing cards that you never wanted to.
Just to create consistency in the voice, in the vocal, to bring the low parts up and the high parts down to even the sound. So the last thing I'll do is to add a DSR. So that is the second step using the processors.
Broke heart, pouring love.
So with the DSR, I'm targeting around the 6 to 10K area. So mostly it's around the 7K, 6, 7K area. But I just want to spread it from 6 to 10K area to be able to, deal with the SS.
Nowhere to go. Grieving ghosts of yourself.
So I'm going to bypass all the plugins and then I'll bring it on again so we see how it sounds like before and after.
Broke heart, pouring love.
This is before.
Nowhere to go.
And then after.
Love. Nowhere to go. Grieving ghosts of yourself.
All right, so the third step is adding effects to the vocals to make it polish and sound radio ready. So I'll add two effects here, which has to do with the reverb and delay. So this is the reverb. I created an aux channel and I send the vocal to the reverb. So let's listen to it with the reverb and the other processes.
Dealing cards that you never know where to go. Grieving ghosts of yourself. Dealing cards that you never wanted down.
The next is to add the delay to it. So let's listen to it with the delay as well.
No spark to restart. No way to know. You're looking right. I know that you like what you see.
All right, so now I'm going to play it with the whole track. So we listen to the whole thing, the full thing, how it sounds like.
Broke heart, pouring love. Nowhere to go. Grieving ghosts of yourself. Dealing cards that you never wanted down. No spark to restart. No way to know. You're looking right. I know that you like what you see.
All right, so this is just my few steps to mixing vocals. I want you to share your comments below to know what your thoughts is about when you are mixing vocals. How do you mix your vocals? What is your approach? So I just want you to share your idea.